Hi! In front of me is Nokia T20, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up and select while using the app and allow. Then you need to click on Home button, and I will try to auto-rotate this app. Okay, so it does not support auto-rotation, so we have to do something like that. And now you need to click on iOS Launcher, tap on OK, tap on Always, and select Got It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. You can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, then Advanced and Default Apps. Over here, click on Home app, and to go back into the default one, tap on Quick Step. If you wish to switch to iOS one, tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!